Have you ever wondered why mental health issues seem more visible today than ever before? Is it really just about brain chemistry? Or could our society itself be part of the cause? Mental health, while often framed in medical terms, is deeply shaped by social factors. From the pressures of modern life to historical stigmas and inequalities, sociology helps us see mental health not only as an individual issue, but as a reflection of wider societal structures. Historically, mental illness was treated with suspicion, fear, or even punishment. In medieval Europe, people with conditions like schizophrenia or depression were thought to be possessed or morally corrupt. The shift toward institutionalization began in the 18th and 19th centuries with asylums. This seemed progressive at first, but many of these institutions became places of isolation rather than healing. Michel Foucault, a key figure in sociology and philosophy, argued in Madness and Civilization that the way societies define and treat madness reflects their power structures and moral boundaries. He believed mental illness was not just a medical reality, but a socially constructed label used to marginalize those who deviate from the norm. Sociologists also study how mental health is shaped by social determinants, factors like income, education, gender, and race. According to conflict theory, particularly the ideas of Karl Marx, capitalism itself creates mental distress. The alienation of labor, job insecurity, and relentless competition can lead to anxiety, depression, and burnout. These are not random individual problems. They are outcomes of systemic pressures. Take, for example, the rise of anxiety disorders among youth in industrialized nations. Many students feel intense pressure to succeed in school and secure stable futures in uncertain economies. Emile Durkheim's study of suicide introduced the term anomie, a state of normlessness that arises when rapid social change or disconnection occurs. In today's fast-paced world, this concept explains much of the disorientation people feel, especially during life transitions, economic crises, or social isolation. Symbolic interactionists like Goffman also provide useful insights. In Stigma, Goffman shows how being labeled with a mental illness can shape a person's identity and how others treat them. Labels like crazy or unstable can lead to exclusion, shame, and self-fulfilling prophecies. This is why mental health advocacy now emphasizes language and visibility to reduce stigma and increase empathy. Mental health campaigns today focus on awareness and therapy, but sociology reminds us to ask deeper questions. How do our schools, jobs, media, and policies contribute to mental well-being or harm it? How does loneliness in urban life, the erosion of community, or the pressure to perform on social media affect our mental state? If you found this perspective eye-opening, don't forget to subscribe.